Welcome back to Mindset Avenue. Have you ever stopped to think about why some people rise to the top while others seem stuck no matter how hard they try? Is success just a matter of luck, or is there a formula behind it? The truth is, success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of following key principles, taking consistent action, and staying committed over time. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve massive success while others seem stuck in the same place year after year? Is it just luck, magic, or is there something they know that you don't? Here's the truth. Success is never an accident. It's the result of following the right principles, taking bold action, and staying laser-focused, even when things get tough. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 12 powerful rules for success that have helped millions of people transform their lives. And if you apply them, your life could change too, faster than you think. So do me a favor. Grab a notebook, eliminate distractions, and stick around till the very end, because rule number 12 is the game changer that most people overlook. You might be thinking, do I really need rules to succeed? Absolutely. Think about it. Every successful person, whether it's Sarah Blakely, LeBron James, Richard Branson, or Serena Williams, follows certain principles. They don't leave their success to chance, and neither should you. The good news? Anyone can apply these rules. You don't have to be rich. You don't need to be a genius. You just need discipline, direction, and determination. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive into the 12 rules for success, starting with rule number 1, set clear goals. Rule 1, set clear goals. If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up nowhere. Successful people set specific, measurable, and time-bound goals. They don't just say, I want to be rich. They say, I want to earn $100,000 in the next 12 months by building my online business. Clarity creates focus. Focus leads to action. Action produces results. When your goals are clear, your path becomes visible, even if it's difficult. Pro tip: write your goals down daily. Repetition builds intention. Intention drives results. Rule 2, develop self-discipline. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is forever. You won't always feel like waking up early, working out, studying, or making those extra calls. But successful people do it anyway. Discipline means doing the work especially when you don't feel like it. It means saying no to distractions and yes to long-term rewards. Build a routine. Create habits. Automate your success. Rule 3, take 100% responsibility. No blaming. No excuses. No pointing fingers. Your life is yours. Own it. Whether you're succeeding or struggling, it starts and ends with you. The moment you take full responsibility, you take your power back. Successful people don't wait for conditions to be perfect. They create opportunities, even in chaos. Victims wait. Leaders act. Rule 4, invest in yourself. Your greatest asset isn't money, it's your mind. Read. Take courses. Go to seminars. Learn new skills. Because when you grow, your income grows. Your confidence grows. Your opportunities multiply. Think about it. One good idea from a book could double your income. One mentor could shave years off your learning curve. The more you learn, the more you earn. Rule 5, surround yourself with winners. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang out with lazy, negative, small-minded people, you will shrink. But if your circle includes ambitious, positive, disciplined individuals, you will grow. Winners push you, inspire you, and raise your standards. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Rule 6, master your time. Time is life. Once it's gone, it never comes back. Unsuccessful people spend their time. Successful people invest it. Plan your day. Use a calendar. Avoid time wasters like endless scrolling or gossip. Learn to say no to what doesn't serve your purpose. Your schedule reflects your priorities. What does yours say about you? Rule 7. Take massive action. Ideas are cheap. Action is gold. You can dream all day, but until you take consistent, massive action, nothing changes. Don't wait until you're ready. Don't wait for permission. Start messy. Start scared. Just start. Every successful person you admire started with a first step that no one saw. Action beats perfection every single time. Rule 8. Learn from failure. Failure is not the end, it's feedback. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Walt Disney was fired for lacking creativity. Oprah was told she was unfit for TV. They failed, they learned, and they kept going. Successful people fail more often than others even try. Failure teaches you what success never will. Rule 9. Stay consistent. Consistency builds momentum. It's not about doing something big once. It's about doing something small every single day. A 1% improvement daily equals 37 times growth in 1 year. Build a system. Show up every day. Create non-negotiables in your life. Small disciplines repeated with consistency equals massive success. Rule 10. Practice gratitude. You can't be negative and grateful at the same time. Gratitude changes your perspective. It helps you focus on what's right, not just what's wrong. Start each day listing 3 things you're grateful for. Watch how your energy shifts. Gratitude fuels optimism, and optimism fuels success. What you appreciate, appreciates. Rule 11. Visualize your success. Your mind is a powerful machine. If you can clearly visualize success, how it looks, feels, and sounds, you begin to attract it. Olympians visualize their performance. CEOs visualize company growth. Visualization programs your subconscious to believe it's already possible. See it in your mind. Act on it. Watch it come to life. Rule 12. Never give up. This is the most powerful rule of all. There will be obstacles. There will be setbacks. You'll feel tired, discouraged, and maybe even defeated. But don't quit. Successful people are not always the smartest, but they are the most relentless. They push when others give up. They stay standing when others sit down. Your breakthrough could be one step beyond the point where most people stop. Final words. Success isn't for the chosen few, it's for the committed few. If you take these 12 rules and apply them daily, even in small ways, your life will begin to shift. Not in years, in weeks, in days. Comment below. Which rule spoke to you the most today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another transformation moment from Mindset Avenue. You've got what it takes. Now go take what you deserve.